I suck at intros, but episode 7, stack jeans, female edition. Let's go.
For today's how-to video, we have some dark blue female jeans with a couple of rips in them. I'm going to be turning them into stack jeans. I'm also going to be adding some more rips to the thigh area for a more distressed look. To start off, you want to lay your jeans on a flat surface and mark with a pen or a Sharpie where your rips are going to be at. So as you can see, I have my rips already lined out with a pen. Excuse my ashy hands, don't look at those. I poke a hole in the jeans to start off my rip, and I just cut the straight line. After I have my rips in my jeans, I start to pull the strings out of the rips. This helps for when I throw it in the washer. How easy it's going to come out is going to be very distressed because I already pulled the strings out. Throw it in the washer. Make sure that you have it on a small load with cold water for the temperature. I like to usually put it on rinse and spin. After it's done in the washer, go ahead and throw it in the dryer. I could have got it more distressed, but I still like the look that I got after I got it out the dryer. As you can see, it looks 10 times different from before. More strings. To start your stacked process, you're going to need another pair of jeans, some scissors, and a glue gun. Align your wide denim jeans right up under your skinny jeans and make sure you cut at these exact spots. Glue your cutout directly at the bottom of your jean. It should be wider than your skinny jean. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it back. But we're not going to fold it back all the way. We're going to fold it back enough to where it flares out. After gluing down the bottom of my jeans, I decided to make a denim belt for the jeans. I also decided to make a strap for the bottom of the stack jeans. As you can see, the belt came out real nice. I added some gems and some ribbons to it. Here is the bottom of the stack jeans with the strap from the belt line of the wide jeans.